This video will provide a brief introduction to the Blue Letter Bible, which is a free online Bible research tool. The Blue Letter Bible enables you to conduct original language searches of the Bible. It is a good option for those who cannot afford printed concordances or expensive Bible study software. To access the Blue Letter Bible, navigate to the following URL. The Blue Letter Bible defaults to the King James Version for all searches, but you can change that by selecting the desired translation from the pull-down menu. However, in this instance, we will stick with the King James Version as it will allow us to do some work with the original languages. Once you have selected your desired translation, you can conduct either a word or a verse search. We will begin by conducting a verse search for Genesis 1:1. Once completed, Blue Letter Bible will pull up the appropriate text. At this point, you can begin to look at the original language behind the current one. To do this, click on the button labeled Strong's. This will insert a series of reference numbers into the text. These numbers are key to the original Hebrew word behind the English. When you click on the key number associated with a word, you will learn more about the original term behind the translation. In this case, we are going to click on the key number associated with beginning. A new screen opens, providing details about the original Hebrew term. It shows us the word in the original Hebrew and also provides a transliteration and a pronunciation guide. Further, it demonstrates the various ways this term has been translated in the English text. We can see that it was translated 18 times as beginning. However, it was also translated as first fruits 11 times, first 9 times, and chief 8 times. Additionally, you can see a definition of the original Hebrew term, which shows that the original term has several different aspects of meaning, hence the various ways in which it was translated. If you want to see where in the Bible a particular English term was used, you can simply click on that word. A list will appear showing all the verses where the Hebrew was translated with that English word. While the previous demonstration focused on a text from the Old Testament, the Blue Letter Bible will also work with the Greek of the New Testament, and it follows the same process. Thanks for watching, and please reach out if you have any questions.